here it is. We got the blender up and running. All right. Now, the first thing what we're going to do, okay, because I'm trying my best to eat a little bit more. You know what I mean? I'm not gonna say it's perfect, but I try my best to eat a little bit more healthy. No, you know what I mean? Yeah, get a copy of the book, guys, because the price is not bad. You know what I mean? You know, yeah, get yourself a copy of the book and support Chef Ricardo. All right, first of all, we're gonna get some celery. All right. We're using 2 stalks of celery. That's celery. Okay, guys, if you don't know what is celery, you can go to Google and you can do yourself some search on Google and find out what is celery. Okay, now I should have shown you guys because some of you guys don't know what is celery. All right, so this is what celery look like. Okay, yeah, so you're gonna have to look at it, wash it off, decent and nice, and this is what we call celery. Okay, yeah. So if you're a person who like to eat celery, this is good for you. All right, yeah. Um, so that's number one. Number two, we're gonna get some green apple inside of it. All right, yeah. Nice one. That's the green apple. Lovely. Number three is your favorite cucumber. You know what I mean? You can get this in the supermarket to buy or your local shop. You can go and get yourself some cucumber. All right. Chef Ricardo candy leaf on the um broad 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 oil. I don't know what is. I need to find out what I can eat. Well, yeah, supposed to. Everything's supposed to can eat, isn't it? All right. This is cucumber. All right. That's cucumber. So we got celery, green apple, cucumber. All right. A good vibes. Let's go down into green leaves now. Now we're going to put some parsley inside of it. All right. This is some fresh parsley. I love parsley. All right, guys. Yeah, man. Green leaf. And this is some fresh mint. Okay. Yeah, you can get that to buy in a local shop or your supermarket. Fresh mint and parsley. Yeah, look at that. Nice. I love parsley, no, man. So you see me I blend up the whole of this parsley this evening. Good vibes. Piece more mint. All right. I think I eat that Chef Ricardo. You know what I mean? Now, we got spinach. Some of your guys' favorite. You know what I mean? Here it is. Spinach. All right. So, me as a man, I love spinach, you know. Put a portion of spinach inside of it. All right. I think I eat that so far. Yeah, a good vibes. Spinach, cucumber, all of them stuff, the guys. All right. Um, let the focus off the book. Um, we're gonna get a piece of a ginger. I mean, yeah, ginger is a must. Then we're gonna have to put some lemon juice inside of it. All right, catch those seeds. Excellent, Chef Ricardo cooking. You know the thing go already. Lovely. Look at that. All right. Now, a long time I use honey. Now I've been using dates over the last couple of months. I've been using just dates. You know what I mean? So we're gonna put these one doesn't got any seeds. One, roughly about 4 of them. All right. All right. Let's put a little one inside. Right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. Now we're gonna use your favorite, guys, coconut water. All right, good vibes. We're gonna use coconut water inside of it. You can get coconut water to buy at your local shop or your supermarket, or you just, if you are in Jamaica, ask your neighbor to pick 2 off of the tree next door. All right. Yeah. So now, what I'm gonna do, I'm going to put on the lid. You can put apple cider vinegar in it if you like, but we're not gonna use that today. We're gonna keep it simple. Put on the lid, and it look just like this. All right. Yeah. Now, in the meantime, take some time and go and research for Chef Ricardo's secret recipes to success. From poverty to purpose. Get yourself a copy in the meantime. Come on, them bird doesn't make nice. Let's this Saturday. Let's blend up this and make some noise. Wow. Excellent. All right. Let me show now what I go on. That's the way it look. All right. Now, that looking good. Congratulations if any one of you guys just order a copy of the book. Just to say thank you so much for the support, and I really appreciate it 100%. All right. Yeah, a good vibe. So I'm going to have to, I'm gonna pour off it, as I like to drink it like this. It's just lighter for me. I don't know, you don't have to do what Chef Ricardo do, but I just like to do it this kind of way. Lovely. Yes, that looking good. You don't have to strain it, you know, guys. You know what I mean? But when you strain it, it's just light and nice and easy to drink. But you can drink it just like this. This is rich, guys. You know what I mean? Lot of iron, and this is just amazing. Now you can drink this. You can have this if you like to. You know what I mean? But it's gonna be a little bit heavy. You can put more water on it and light it down. And you can just simply just do what I'm doing. All right. So that's it so far. You know what I mean? I don't have to go too far with it. Yeah. But this is amazing. Now look at the flavor. Wow. Wow. Look at that. This is what I'm talking about, guys. These beautiful, healthy green juice. Very good for the stomach, very good for the tummy, good for everything. All right. I have a shot of lemon, olive oil, and cayenne pepper this morning. Big up yourself every time. Now, that is a very powerful thing to have in the morning. You know what I mean? Yeah. If that do anything to you, please just share it to others. I have to leave. So sorry. Oh, no worry yourself. Magic, 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 magic. Big up yourself. Don't worry yourself. Now, that drink is a very powerful drink. Please share that to your worst enemy. All right. Sorry to use a word like that, but it's facts. Very powerful drink. Very good for the gut. Cleanse out the gut and cleanse the body. All right. As you can see, very, very powerful drink, guys. Okay.